Okay, now let's put this circuit into the housing. Again, we looked at this before. You just want to line up the registration points. Slip it under one side of the wing. It's no different than it was before. And there it's in. So I'm going to put some downward pressure. This time I'll use a tool. I just happen to have this X-Acto knife on hand. I'll just pull back the wing, and again it just snaps, the circuit just snaps into place. So we're good to go. Well, that's it at this point. Now we want to reassemble the whole housing. We've got our encoder fully assembled inside of the servo, and our motor has been, our drive circuit has been adapted for our needs to make it continue. And we've also pulled out the stop from the gears. So let's reassemble this now. What I'll do is I'll take two of the wires from the encoder. I'm going to route that around the board and facing out that way. And the other two will come out the other side. So I push this down. Like so. The thinner the wire you can get, the better. You know, like 26 gauge, maybe even 28 or 30 gauge wire would be great. Stranded is better as well than solid core because it's more flexible. So with that circuit in place, we can now, we'll take their wires for the servo and take those wires and replace them here. And we'll take our wires and we'll route them over the top and over the top of the servo control wires, just like so. Just kind of generally get it into place and hold it down with your thumb. So you can see they're all coming out of the same point. Why we're doing that is we're going to use the existing slot in the cap to route all the wires through. Okay, so let me put this cap back on. Okay, one of the benefits to having thinner wire, if you have it, is that it will make closing this case back up much easier. Mine is a little big, so it's a little harder to get it all closed up, but whatever, we'll make it work. I've actually added some strain relief if it's just the right size, because then everything gets pinched in this hole. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. All the wires are coming through that hole. And now we'll drive our continuous servo with this set of wires and we'll read back the position with this set of wires. And our Arduino will read the position and tell the motor to spin until it goes to our desired destination.